Hi everyone, welcome back to another important session. So already we have done 2 classes of chemistry, and in this video I am going to discuss part number 3. So watch the video till the end and make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel, and you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, that link in the description. Alright. Okay, let's start with the first question. In a reaction, what is the loss of hydrogen by substance called as? Option number B is the right answer, oxidation. Question number 2. Process of gaining electrons is known as? Option number B, reduction is the right answer. Question number 3. Which of the following methods helps in separating cream from milk? Option number B is the right answer, centrifugation. 4. The process by which milk is converted into curd is called? Option number C, fermentation. 5. Heating of rubber with sulfur is known as? Option number D, vulcanization. Question number 6. An emulsion is a colloid of a? Option number B, liquid in a liquid. 7. Which type of colloidal system is expressed in the fog? Option number A, liquid in a gas. Question number 8. Which of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? Option number B is the right answer, suspension. 9. If a refrigerator's door is kept open, then? Option number B, room will be heated. Question number 10. Combustion of a candle is? Option number D is the right answer, exothermic reaction. 11. What is an endothermic reaction? Option number B, reaction in which heat is absorbed. Question number 12. Which of the following reaction is an example of exothermic reaction? Option number D, all options are correct. Burning of natural gas, respiration, the decomposition of vegetable matters into compost. Okay. Question number 13. The passage of an electric current through a conducting liquid causes? Option number D, chemical reaction. Question number 14. In a periodic table, while moving from left to right in a period, number of dash remains same. Option number C, shells. 15. Multiplication of equivalent weight and valency of an element is equal to? Option number C, atomic weight. 16. What is the dominant chemical present in detergent powder? Option number B, sodium carbonate. 17. What is the product formed when sodium bicarbonate is heated strongly? Option number A is the right answer, sodium carbonate. Question number 18. Which one of the following is the chemical formula of gypsum? Option number A is the right answer, CaSO4.2H2O. 19. A combustible gas is liberated when caustic soda solution is heated with? Option number D, zinc, Zn. 20. Which of the following is slaked lime? Slaked lime or slaked lime? 20. Option number A is the right answer, CaOH well twice. 21. Calcium sulfate dehydrate. Calcium sulfate dehydrate is commonly known as? Option number A, gypsum. 22. Which of the following is a major component of a German silver? Option number B, copper is the right answer. 23. Buckminster fluorine is an allotrope of. Option number D, carbon. 24. Marsh gas is primarily contains. Option number A is the right answer, CH4, methane. 25. Nitrification is the biological process of converting dash. Converting, option number C, ammonia into nitrite. 26. Phosphorus is kept in water because. Option number C, its critical temperature is high. 27. Which of the following metals has an ore named galena? Option number D, lead. 28. Cinnabar is an ore or mineral of. Option number D, mercury. 29. Which of the following is not an ore of iron? Not an ore of iron. Option number A is the right answer, cuprite. Hematite, magnetite and siderite is the ore of iron. Question number 30. What is the general formula of alkenes? Option number A is the right answer, CnH2n. 31. Which of the following is not an unsaturated carbon compound? Not. Your option is C is the right answer, butane. 32. Traditional battery contains which of the following chemicals? Option number B, sulfuric acid. 33. Which of the following acid found in apple? Option number A, malic acid. 34. Dash is the primary acid present in ripe bananas. Option number C, again malic acid. 35. Which of the following is an aldehyde? Option number A, propanol is the right answer. 36. Which of the following is a sweet smelling substance? Option number C, esters. 37. Which of the following gas causes explosion in coal mines? Option number D, methane. 38. Ethanol containing 5% water is known as. Option number A, rectified spirit. And the 39 question, glucose is a source of energy. Which one of the following types of molecule is glucose? Option number A, carbohydrate. Last question, what is the bond between two amino acids in a protein called? What is the bond between two amino acids in a protein called? Option number C is the right answer, peptide bond. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.